Subtract 67.5 from 180 using long subtraction. Line up the decimal points in the same column. Add placeholder zeros so both numbers have the same number of decimal places. We work from right to left and finish one column before moving to the next. In the tenths column, 0 is less than 5, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the tens column. 8 becomes 7. Carry the borrow through 1 0. Each cross 0 becomes 9. The 0 in the tenths column becomes 10. In the tens column, 10 minus 5 is 5. In the ones column, 9 minus 7 is 2. In the tens column, 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down 1 in the hundreds column. Bring the decimal point straight down into the answer. The final result is 112.5.